In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to rotate and duplicate objects around a specific point in Adobe Illustrator. This is an incredibly useful technique for creating circular patterns, radial designs, logos, mandalas, icons, and so much more. Once you understand this method, you'll be able to duplicate objects perfectly around any anchor point in just seconds. Make sure to watch until the end because I'll also show you how to quickly repeat the rotation without reopening the dialog box every time. And if this tutorial helps you out, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Illustrator tips and tricks. Let's jump right in. First, open Adobe Illustrator and select the object you want to rotate. This can be any shape, icon, line, or grouped object. Make sure it's properly selected using the Selection tool, which you can activate by pressing V on your keyboard. Once your object is selected, the next step is to activate the Rotate tool. You can do that quickly by pressing R on your keyboard. You'll notice your cursor changes to the rotate icon, which means the tool is now active. Now here's the key step that many beginners miss. By default, Illustrator rotates objects around their center point. But what if you want to rotate around a completely different point? For example, maybe you want to rotate around the bottom corner, the edge of another shape, or a custom position in your artboard. To do that, hold down the Alt key on Windows or the Option key on Mac, and then click on the exact point where you want the rotation to happen. This click sets a brand new rotation center. It tells Illustrator, rotate around this point instead. As soon as you Alt or Option click, the Rotate dialog box will appear. This is where you control the exact angle of rotation. In the Angle field, type in the degree amount you want. For example, enter 30 degrees if you want a clean, evenly spaced rotation. You can experiment with different values depending on your design. Smaller numbers create tighter circular patterns, while larger numbers create wider spacing. Now this is extremely important. Instead of clicking OK, click Copy. If you click OK, Illustrator will simply rotate the original object. But when you click Copy, it creates a duplicate and rotates the duplicate around the point you selected. This is how you create evenly spaced repeated elements around a center point. At this stage, you'll see your original object and one rotated copy. But what if you want to repeat that rotation multiple times to complete the circle? Here's the shortcut that makes this workflow incredibly fast. Simply press Ctrl+D on Windows or Command+D on Mac. This repeats your last transformation. Every time you press it, Illustrator duplicates the object again using the same rotation angle. Keep pressing it until you complete the full circular pattern. This technique is perfect for creating radial logos, sunburst effects, gear shapes, decorative borders, or symmetrical artwork. And the best part is that it's precise because you're entering an exact numerical angle instead of guessing visually. So just to quickly recap, select your object, press R for the Rotate tool, hold Alt or Option and click to set your rotation point. Enter your desired angle, click Copy, and then use Ctrl or Command-D to repeat the transformation as many times as needed. That's how you rotate and duplicate objects around a point in Illustrator the professional way. If you found this helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more Adobe Illustrator tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.